Troy, I heard this expression once that youth is lost on the young,
Mhm.
but it seems to me that personal responsibility these days seems to be lost on the young too. And I want to talk about that in conjunction with Life Insurance Awareness Month. So, Troy, tell me why are there so many young people out there that don't have any life insurance or very little at that?
Well, one, they don't understand it, and two, they're just full of excuses because they're gonna say, "I'll get it later when I make more money." But what they don't realize is the longer they wait, the more it's gonna cost them.
Right. And so one of the things they're unaware of as well, would you agree, is they're unaware of ways in which they actually get all the money back in their own lifetime, have permanent insurance versus, say, buying the cheapest thing, which is term insurance,
Mhm.
and all the other uses behind it as well. So maybe give me some examples of maybe some people you've talked to, some younger people, and some of the things you've heard and the procrastination from getting life insurance.
I don't need it right now. I'm young, I'm healthy, I'm in good shape.
Right.
That's for when I'm older.
Right. Or, yeah, why pay all those premiums now while I'm young? I could just save all those up, keep that money in my pocket, and buy it later. Not too much later, but later on. But I could still save and pocket all those premiums because ultimately, Troy, it's just going to benefit my beneficiary. I'm not going to get anything out of it in my lifetime. I mean, I'm paying premiums. I'm going to die. Somebody else is going to get the money, right? Is that correct?
That's the way a lot of people think.
Yeah.
Or, you know what, I gotta put money into my car. I gotta get a detail. I gotta get new tires. I gotta soup it up.
Or maybe I need insurance for my cell phone or my pet dog or any number of other things that we insure. I laugh because, the golden goose in our lifetime is you. You're the goose that lays the gold eggs, right?
Mhm.
Yet we insure all the gold eggs, but we don't insure the goose,
As
right?
I correlate it to if I'm sitting here watching a video on how to run a race, and I'm watching the video and I'm watching the video and I'm watching the video, I'm not accomplishing anything. And it's a lot of these people today are doing the same thing. I'll get it later. I'll get it later. I'll get it later. No, just get out there and start running. Get the policy now while you're young. It's cheaper. It's more effective. You're going to recoup your money faster. It's going to grow and you're going to have a lot more advantages and be farther ahead of other people at a later time in life.
Okay, so let's role play a little bit. I'm a 30-year-old. I come to you. I say, Troy, okay, so sell me on why I should buy life insurance for me. Like, what things could it do for me in my lifetime? And, I really, why would I want to waste my money on that kind of thing? So let's talk about the cost aspect first. What would be your countenance to the cost aspect of it?
Well, life insurance is never cheaper than today. The longer you wait, the more expensive it's going to get. So right now, like Paul, I know you really like cars. And one day you might want to buy a nice new car. Why not be able to pull that money out of your life insurance? Not that that's a good thing to do, but you could actually pull it out kind of as your own bank, not worry about credit, not worry about going to a bank, not doing anything. Pull the money out, buy yourself that nice Lamborghini
So
or
you,
whatever you want.
so you're saying I could actually use life insurance to finance things in the future if I
Yes,
would?
and a lot of people don't understand that. And what a better way to grow your money at a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% interest rate year over year, having that compound, having your money work for you instead of putting it in the bank and the bank works your money and they make more money.
Okay, so and what kind of cost are we talking here? I mean, that sounds like a lot of money to do something like that. I'm buying a car and doing that. What kind of money would we be talking about? I'm 30 years old, so
Shoot, for a few $100s a month, you could be light years ahead of wherever you think's possible in the future.
got it. What other benefits might there be for me? I mean, like what else could it do for me other than help me finance something? I mean, is it something I could use for retirement too?
Absolutely. Retirement, you have income for life that's tax free. So if you're pulling that money out of your life insurance, it's tax free. You don't have to claim it on income tax either, which is a double benefit. And in addition to that, a lot of people don't know this, but life insurance bypasses probate. So when you die, it's not a question of if, but when you die, a lot of your estate will get hung up in probate, and life insurance passes through immediately and goes right to your beneficiaries, right to your family, right to the people who need it the most.
So I'm getting a little clearer picture here. What you're saying is, like, I have all these financial benefits, and essentially later in life, I wouldn't have to worry about buying life insurance because we would set up like a permanent life insurance, right? And then what I also, I would have some benefits too. I've heard if you get sick or something, is that correct too?
So there's chronic, critical, and terminal living benefits that you can get. So if one of those things would happen to you, you can pull cash right out of the policy and use it more for whatever you need it for, but use it to take care of your health, take care of your illness, travel, do whatever you want to do with it.
And I heard about this other thing. Is there like a way to get out of debt with this too and do that? I mean, so
Can only be done through whole life. Can't do it through term or anything, because whole life you can put money in and pull money out right away, which is beneficial. So if you're looking to get out of debt, why not use life insurance that's protected, guaranteed, and you can pull money out, pay off your debt, put the money back in, pay off your debt, put the money back in, repeat, and you'll be out of debt in, with a mortgage of like a $300,000 mortgage and $20,000 in credit card debt. You could probably be out of debt in 7 to 9 years, maybe.
awesome. Well, Troy, on behalf of Cord Marketing, and we'd like to just say, if you like this conversation, or you want to know more, reach out to us. We can help show you the many functions of life insurance and why you want to be talking to your clients that are young and getting something in place now. Well, it's very inexpensive. They can recuperate the cost, and they can have a financial tool that's a friend for life. Reach out to us today. Happy selling.